Hello everyone, welcome to another video on how to use Scalefusion to manage your iOS devices. With iOS 12.2, Apple has changed the enrollment methods a little bit. Now earlier, that is prior to 12.2, when you scan the QR code from Scalefusion's portal, the camera would launch Safari and Safari would in turn launch the settings application. However, now once the Safari application is launched, then the settings application will not be launched and you would have to manually launch the setting application to complete the enrollment. In this video, we will see how the iOS 12.2 has changed the enrollment procedure. For that, as you can see on my screen, you can see that I have created a QR code for enrolling my iOS devices. Now, I'll just launch my iPhone on the screen. I am just also using an iPhone on the screen. I'll just launch the iPhone here and I'll launch the camera, and using the camera I'll scan the QR code. Now as you could see, it has launched the Safari. Now it is prompting us to download the configuration profile. Click on allow. Now earlier at this point of time the settings app used to open automatically, but at this point of time we see a message which says that the profile is downloaded and we need to review and choose to install in the settings app. Click on close here, press the home button. Now launch the settings app. Now if you would observe, the first option there would be profile downloaded. Just under general it will be profile downloaded. Yeah, you can either go here or can you hit back on the back key? Can you please hit back key? Can you scroll down? Scroll up, sorry. Can you hit back once again and scroll up? Yeah, here there's a profile downloaded option at the first. Yeah, here you can click on more details if you want to verify the profile. Now click on the top, click on back once. Now once you're on this screen, on the top right you would see that there is an option to install. Can you move the window a little bit down, QuickTime window a little bit down? Yes. Okay. If you see on the top right, there's an install window here. Okay, once you click on install, it will start installing the profile. Yeah. Click on install again to confirm. From this point of time, it is more or less the old flow, but it's just that we have to manually launch the settings app and complete the installation. The enrollment still has the same steps, that is, there's a certificate that is generated and finally the device enrolls into the Scalefusion dashboard. Once you see this screen, click on install again, click on trust once you are asked for. Yes, once it is done, click on done, and now your device is managed and you can remotely manage it from Scalefusion. Thank you.